You can put everything inside if you want.
Oh really?
Oh no, I'm just kidding. Very good, sir. Okay, spin it around, spin it around. Ooh, very skillfully.
Achso, jetzt das?
Okay, beans round or pork first. Anything is okay.
$20 seconds, right?
Yes, around 15 to 20 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the matter of the coverage? What's the matter of the coverage? Why do you do this?
Steam it
Okay.
to make it the liquid faster to become this one. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the first time you try this kind of food, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this Vietnamese pancake is gonna be better when you use with the fish sauce. Yeah.
Fish sauce.
Yes. Watch out, sir. It's gonna be easier when you use some little bit of oil.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Put dip it into the yes, that's right. Very good, sir. Ooh.
Hier geht's immer kaputt, ne?
Okay, be careful. Yeah.
I already see it on the ground.